But before we start talking, let's find out a bit more about him.
Smisha Tim Parish. I'm Tim Parish and I live on the Isle of Lewis. I moved here from Cambridgeshire with my wife and our 2 dogs, Monty and Pippa. I used to run diving expeditions off the west coast of Scotland, and we fell in love with the Isle of Lewis after a holiday here. Sé fia yo Coirsnocahown. I started learning Gaelic when I moved to the island, as I felt it was important to learn the language of the area that I'd moved to. Marastrika hami dianu Cursican Gaelic Loinia. I try to speak Gaelic when I'm out and about, and the community has really encouraged me with my learning. Sé neach toggle yelav avanam, but I'm now retired. Bini hasta toggle yelavan, Fe and Ellen. This is Dalbeck, one of my favourite places to take photographs. The meaning of Dalbeck is a small valley, and this little beach is at the end of it. It's absolutely beautiful. When I'm composing a photograph, I look for the right type of light. Everybody looks for a great photograph on a sunny day, but I prefer a little bit of cloud cover to soften the light so it's not as harsh. Erash egontai, bimia coed ena jelavan. Nimi turg jana ayin ashar. I have this sunrise. It's got a lovely light feel to it. The last one I'm considering is this black and white photograph of a derelict house in Tolstoy-Hurlish. It's a very substantial house, but it's empty and it's falling apart gradually. I'd like to continue trying to speak more Gaelic when I'm out and about in the community.